Mario, where could you be? Hey, look, it's a door. I should open it, see where it goes. So I'm gonna open it. You see? Now let go.
I'm ready to read the book.
Now, let's see. Where are we going? Well, let's just see. So Mario, you have to be here somewhere. He's somewhere. Mario. Peter. Okay. Wonder what's for dinner. Cause I'm starving. So I wonder what's for dinner. Better call someone. I'll call 911 because Mario's missing. 911. Call. Okay. Hello? 911? Yes. Need you. Mario's missing. Yeah, he's missing. Okay, they're coming. Go back. Not right there. They're gonna come and find Mario. Hey, Luigi. Oh crap, I called the cops.